how to create a website for your business in UK. So I was able to create this awesome looking business website for totally free without paying any money. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to do the exact same thing. So look down the video description. I'm having a link of this platform. Just click on it. It is going to bring you right here. And then when you come, simply come here to where it says sign up for free and then come and click on it. So when you click on it, all that you have to do is to simply come and then create an account. You can do that by simply coming to click on sign up with Google in one click, or you can put your email manually here by simply clicking on sign up with email, whereby you have to simply come here, then come and put in your email address right here. Then you come down and put in your first name. After putting your first name, you can simply come and then add your last name to it right here, and then you have to create a strong password, okay? And then when you are done, simply come down here to the create account and then click on it. But I'm simply going to go with the shortcut and then come and click on sign up with Google in one click. That one is faster. Okay, so when you click on it, you'll be logging directly into your dashboard just like this one. Okay, so from your dashboard, what you have to do is to simply come down here to where we have the build site with AI and then come and click on it. So we are going to go through all these series of steps in order to build your free website for you. So what you have to do first is that you have to come and then give some basic information that is going to use to build your website for you so that the AI can do it. Okay, so the first basic information is the name of your website. So I'm going to call the name of my website as Ladies Purse. Okay, that is the purse bag. Okay, and then when you are done, simply come down to where it says this website is for. Come and click on it and then you can choose any of these. Okay, but because you are building it for business, come and select local business. Okay, and then over here you can change the language based on the language that you prefer by clicking on the down arrow and select what you want. But I'm going to leave mine at the default and then come here to where it says continue and then come and click on the continue. So over here you have to describe your website, okay, in few words. If you don't want to do that, you can simply come down here to where it says write using AI and then click on it. And the AI is going to generate something nice for you, just like this one, okay? But what you have to do is that you have to go through and then edit it to fit your business preference, okay? So after editing it, you can always come to where it says improve using AI and then click on it. And the AI is going to regenerate something different, far better than the first one, okay? You can switch through it by clicking on the back arrow to the first one, then clicking on the forward arrow to the current one, okay? So when you are okay, simply come here to where it says continue, then come and click on it. The next thing is to come and then provide your contact details. That is what your customers is going to use to contact you. Okay, so the first thing that you can do is to come in and come and put in your email address right here. Beside that one, you can simply come here to where it says phone number and then come and put your phone number right here. I prefer the business phone number, okay, so use that one. And then over here, you have to come and then put in your address right here, either physical or digital, and then it has to be that of the business. You can also come here to where it says social media and then come down to the plus sign, click on it, and then you can add any of these social media handles to it, and then it's going to be used to build your website for you. So I'm going to skip all these by simply coming here to where it says skip step and then click on it so that I can build my website fast. Okay, over here you have to also come and then select free stock images that is going to be used to build your website for you. You can come here and then sort through it by clicking on any of these categories and that type of image is going to be shown. Okay, you can also come down here to where it says selected images. When you click on it, you are going to see the images that you have selected, right? Just like this. Okay, so if you want to delete any of the pictures that you selected, you can click on the delete icon and then to be removed. Okay, but make sure that you don't select more than 20 images at a time. You can add some later. Okay, beside that one too, if you have your own original pictures, you can come and click on upload your images and then you can upload your own images right here, but make sure that it goes with this picture format. Okay, all the uploaded pictures should be in this picture format, and then don't select more than 20 images at a time. You can add them later. You can come to the search results and then search for new pictures to be added to your website, and when you are okay and then you have selected the images, simply come down here to where it says the continue and then come and click on the continue. So the next thing that you have to do is to simply come and then select the structure of your website. That is how your website is going to look like. Okay, you can simply come and put the mouse on any of these and then it's going to be shown from the top to the bottom how your website is going to look like. So I'm going to go through and then put the mouse on this I think this one is catching my eye. I like this one, so I'm simply going to click on it so that it is going to be selected for me and then used to build my website. Okay, so one thing that you can also do is to add your site logo by simply coming to click on upload file here, and then you can upload your website logo and it's going to be used to build your website for you. Okay, you can also come and then select any of the fonts pair by simply clicking in on any of these, and that is what is going to be used to build your website for you. You can also come here and come and choose any of the color palettes, any of them that you prefer, and that colors are going to be used to build your website for you. Okay, if you don't like any of the design that you have selected, you can come and click on back to other designs and then select a different one, and when you're okay, simply come and then click on the continue. Okay, so after that you have to select any of these features. It is not compulsory, it is going to be used to build a website for you. We have the donation feature. Not only that, we have the sales funnel, we also have the free live chat as well, and then we also have the automation. Okay, so if you want it, you can simply come and then check the box right here, just like this one, and it's going to be used to build the website for you. If you don't want it, simply come and then uncheck the box. Okay, we also have the video player as well, but I'm going to skip all these by simply coming to click on skip and then start building so that they can build my website for me. Okay, so as you can see, this is a glimpse of all that you have done. When you are ready, simply come here and come and click on start building the website and wait for the AI to build your website for you in few seconds. It is so amazing. So hooray, you have successfully built your business website. And one thing that you have to do is that you have to come and then copy these credentials by clicking on the copy so that you paste it somewhere else. Okay, after that, simply come down here to where it says view website and then come and click on it. And when you click on it, you see that we have successfully built our website. Let's go through the menus one after the other. So this is the home menu, and as you can see, it has been designed in such an awesome way. I really like it. Okay, so let's go to the about section also and then click on it, and then let's see how that one looks. So this is our about page, and this is also looking nice and amazing. It is so nice for a business website. I like it. Let's go to the services page as well, and then this is our services page. As you can see, it is all related to our product, and our product is bags and pegs, so I really like it. Okay, not only that, we also have the other pages. Let's check it out. We have our blog page. Let's click on it and then see how it also looks, and our blog page is also looking nice with our current blog post. Let's click on the contact page as well, and then let's look at how the contact page also looks like. And then the contact page is also looking nice. People can simply come here and then contact us. Okay, we also have our shop now button right here, and one thing is that we can customize anything. But when you look at the top side, you can see that our website is going to expire within 24 hours. It means that we have to move our website to a permanent web host. Okay, because the website builder does not host our website for us. Okay, so let's do it. All that you have to do is to simply come and then put the mouse on the name of your website and then come and click on the dashboard. Okay, so when you click on it, it's going to take you right to the dashboard. Simply come to the plugins and then come and click on add new plugin. Okay, so simply come here where it says add new plugin, come and click on it, and then over here come and search for this plugin called WP Vivid. Okay, just like this one. Okay, so when it comes, all that you have to do is simply come here, WP Vivid is here, and then come and click on the install now. Simply wait for it to finish installing and then come and click on the activate. So when you click on it, when you come to the settings under it, you are going to see WP Vivid backup is here. Click on it, and then over here come to the backup and then restore, and then come and make sure that database plus files is checked. Not only that, come and also make sure that save backups to local is checked as well. And then when all this is checked, simply come to the backup now, then come and click on it. Okay, so when you click on it, simply relax and then wait for your website to back up. So when it's finished backup, simply come down here to where you have the backup, just like this one. Under the backups, you're going to see your website right here. Okay, so simply go to the download and then come to the download side and then come and click on the download. Okay, so when you click on it, come to the file. So under the file, you are going to see we have the file size, and in front of it you are going to see that we have the download. Come and click on the download. Okay, and then over here, sit back, relax, and as you can see, our website is downloading. Okay, so let's wait for it to finish downloading. So just come and click on it, and as you can see, we have downloaded it. When you click on the folder icon, you are simply going to see your website right here. Okay, so we have successfully downloaded our business website that we have created for free without paying any money. The most important thing of every website is we have to host it. So we have two ways of hosting your website. We have a paid way of hosting the website, and then we have a free way of hosting the website. I am having a full video on my channel walking you through step by step how to host your website through the paid way or the free way. Okay, so go to the channel and then watch it and then host your website.